p squared equals x minus y over xy, where x is equal to this number and y is equal to this number. Find the value of p. Give your answer in standard form, correct to two significant figures. So let's have a go at it then. We'll put the calculator over here while we do the calculations. So it's x 8.5 times 10 to the 9, 10 to the power 9, minus y 4 times 10 to the 8 times 10 power 8. Now that's the top number, so now what we'll do is we'll put a bracket around the whole thing on top. Let's just toggle back then. Put a bracket around the whole thing on top. Now we divide that by x times y, so I'm going to put a bracket for the stuff underneath. X, which is this, 8.5 times 10 to the 9, power 9, times y, which is 4 times 10 to the 8, 4 times 10 to the power 8. Down to that level, put a bracket around it. So that's everything entered, equals 2.38 times 10 to the minus 9. And then we square root the answer, don't we? Because it said that was p squared. So, let's just write that down now. P squared is equal to 2.382 multiplied by 10 to the, what was it, minus 9. And that tells us when we square root the answer then in our calculator. So let's do that. So there's the answer. So square root of the answer then equals 4.88 to two significant figures is 4.9, isn't it? Times 10 to the minus 5. 4.9 times 10 to the minus 5. So there's our value of p to two significant figures. 4.9 multiplied by 10 to the minus 5. Okay, now number 20. Make t the subject of this formula here. Well, we need to expand the bracket. 2d minus t is equal to 4t plus 7 then. Two lines to expand the bracket, so it's 2d minus the 2t equals 4t plus 7. Move this from minus to plus. So when we do, 4t plus 2t is 6t. And at the same time move the 7 over to minus 2d minus 7. So we moved this over to plus and added it onto the 4t. We left the 2d as is, and we also moved the 7 across and flipped it to a minus. So now that tells us what t is. If we look at it, we can see that t is equal to the 2d minus 7. And we can move the 6 from times down to divide. And I've written it down from right to left. So t is equal to 2d minus 7 all over 6.